What if I told you your brain runs on a 24-hour clock controlled by light, hormones, and one tiny nucleus? Welcome back to MedBites. We're going to go over circadian rhythm. Now, the core concept behind the circadian rhythm is that your circadian rhythm is your body's internal 24-hour clock. It's controlled by the suprachiasmatic nucleus in the hypothalamus. The idea behind it is that when light enters your eyes, it's received by the retina and it signals the suprachiasmatic nucleus to release melatonin. You've heard of melatonin as in melatonin gummies or melatonin pills for people who have difficulty falling asleep. This is the same stuff that makes you fall asleep in your body, and it's released from the pineal gland. Now, to summarize, light results in lowering melatonin. That's why you like to turn off the lights to fall asleep easier or put on an eye mask. And it promotes wakefulness. So light promotes wakefulness by reducing melatonin. In contrast, darkness increases melatonin release, which promotes sleep. Now, the sleep stages are important to know, and we have a mnemonic to know at what stage what waves are seen on an EEG, electroencephalopathy graph. The mnemonic is bats drink blood. Now, when you're awake and your eyes are open, the waves that we see are beta waves. When you're awake and your eyes are closed, the waves we see are alpha waves. And then we have the NREM stage, which is when you're not dreaming, but you're asleep. It stands for non-rapid eye movement. NREM 1 is theta waves, NREM 2 is spindles, and NREM 3 are delta waves. REM sleep is when you actually have dreams, and that is beta waves. So that's where the mnemonic bats drink blood comes in. Now, where is the tie-in? How do you use this information? Let's say you have a 21-year-old male who has multiple episodes of sleepwalking. You got to know that at what stage of sleep is he in and what waves would be seen. Now, what's important to know is that in NREM stage, you do not have muscle paralysis, but when you're dreaming in beta waves, you do have muscle paralysis, meaning that you physically cannot move. So patients who suffer from sleepwalking, also known as somnambulism, are in NREM 3, and the waves that they see are delta waves. And that's circadian rhythm in a nutshell.